what's going to be in this video today. I'm going to show you how to connect the yarn, because someone asked me in our crochet group how to connect the yarn or change the yarn color. I actually learned this online as well, and I wanted to show you how I adapt into my work, and I really like it this way. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is MayaLunaCorazon, and this channel is have converted to Crochet and Travel channel. I know this is just the first video that I'm saying this out loud, because I have not yet announced this to you. Since the last video I have filmed when we were in Alto Paraíso, it's in Brazil, and I was talking about the change that will take place here a little bit, but it's not so clear yet what's going to be. But now I'm pretty sure now what is going to be for 2019 at least. I can only know what is happening in this moment. I cannot plan for many years ahead, because you know me, you are here for some time. For those who are here for already 2 years, thank you so much for being here and be part of our family and growing together in this beautiful tribe and community. I'm so glad, and wow, I have no word how much this mean to me, and you help me grow so much. You know, like when I was traveling, and I think all the time I would like to film and share with you what's going on. But again, because now we have a social media, so we use social media to get in touch. But I know that I miss this time to just film and look at you in the eyes and talking to you and share with you what's going on. And I really love to do this. And since now, I mean, since I have this project in my heart, in my mind about crochet and travel, because you know that I love crochet so much, and I love to, you know, adventurous. I love to travel. I love to go to new places, and I love to bring my crochet hook and yarn along with me. And this is just what I am, who I am, and I wanted to share with you this. If you already watched the video, the latest video before this one, you know that there's some change here, as I will not do a crochet tutorial as I did in the past 2 years. But you know that I have so many video tutorial already for you here. You can just go there and have a look. I have over 100 videos on my channel, so feel free to just explore here in the channel and see what will be what can you take away, or what can you learn from me and from my channel. In this channel, it's not only a video tutorial, I also have a business tip for a crocheter, and also technical, just how to film with your phone and how to use social media, Instagram, and everything that is work for me, and I just like to share it with you. So you find that on my channel as well. You just go to playlist, and then you see all of that there. But today, I actually want to show you a little tutorial. I'm going to show you how to connect the yarn, because someone asked me in our crochet group how to connect the yarn or change the yarn color. I actually learned this online as well, and I wanted to show you how I adapt into my work, and I really like it this way. I usually do it the other way that I learned from the school when I was a child, because I think that is like you don't see how I attach it, but a little bit complicated for a beginner. So I think this new way will bring you much ease to just connect the yarn in this way, or change the yarn color. Yeah, everything you can just use this technique. I will show you in a bit. Just want to let you know that yesterday I launched the project, the new project on my blog. If you don't know it yet, I have converted also my blog into Crochet and Travel. I put all the links down below. I have launched this project called One-on-One Coaching Business for Crocheter. You will learn many things there. I will put the link for you as well. I just would like to share this with you, how I live my life as a crochet designer and still can travel wherever or whenever I want to go, and just, you know, don't need to have this worry about making money, go to work 9 to 5. Of course, I think about making money because this is part of a living, and I like to think it in the fun way. I like to bring what I could add to the community. I would like to teach what is excites me, which is crochet, and you all know that already. I love to share so much, and this is going to be a one-on-one coaching that's going to help you to grow your business in your own style. Maybe you don't like to travel, maybe you like to do different way. So I'll put the link for you and just have a look there if there's something you would like to take it into the next level. If you would like to crochet for a living, to wake up and just can't wait to get up and do a new project every day and just crochet wherever you are, and crochet while you're listening to the sounds of the ocean crashing the shore, crochet while you are on the airplane. And also talking about the airplane, I'm going to make more video about that, how to pack your crochet tools and items, what to take and what not to take up to your carry bag when you travel in the airplane, and what to take when you're traveling, just as what kind of yarn, you know. I'm just going to share what is work for me, because I know in the past I've been carrying so many yarn in my backpack and it's so heavy and I don't even use them. And now I learned that I don't have to carry all of them, and also learn to just take a small thing, but that thing you can use to create a pattern or make something that you like to wear. And if you are like me, a crochet designer, to be able to crochet and create a pattern while you are away on holiday or while you are away to study, it's just a great thing, because you can still working wherever you are, and you know that when you sell the pattern, that money is support you for traveling, for go out to eat, and for share with the one you love. And this way also, you're not helping just yourself for your financial aspect. You also connect with other crocheter in your community. In this program, I'm going to teach you also how to create a strong tribe, a strong community that love not only what you do, but love who you are as a person, as the, you know, as a giver. And I just want to touch on the topic of how important to concentrate on giving than getting. So all of this, if you feel excited already, just go ahead and check this program and comment down below right now, yes, if you really like this idea. And let's get started with this, how to connect the yarn in a smooth way and ease for the beginner crocheter. So as I got the question from one of the tribe members, how to connect the yarn, I mean how to change the yarn color. And I think it's the same thing, how to connect the yarn if you run out of the same color and you want to connect the same color, or you want to change to another color. What you need is just like a scissor and just learn the way to tie a knot. So first, I'm going to show you, for example, let's do a small gate swatch of a double crochet. Okay, now I have 7. I'm gonna go ahead and do double crochet and come back to show you how I will put this color into this color in the easy way. So here we got this little swatch of double crochet, 2 rows. And now I'm going to show you how to connect. Either you run out of this yarn and you want to connect the same color of yarn, or you want to change the color. It's going to be the same method. So it's super easy. You first take this yarn, another color or the same color that you want to connect into this one. It's like learning to make a knot. Okay, like this. You take this yarn. Let's say we do it here, around here. You go under, and then you take it over, and then you're just gonna make the knot around this thing, around this existing yarn. You see? Now I have a little bit long tail, but I just want to show you clear how I do it. And actually you have to already, because this yarn perhaps you have this much left, because now it's just demonstrate. So you are like running out of yarn, you see, in this much yarn. Maybe this a little bit too long to cut or to connect the yarn, but it doesn't matter, you have an idea, because you need to have a little bit of a tail to be able to connect to the second skein, the same color, or it doesn't matter, different colors. So here in this end, you do the same. you go under this thread, this new skein of the yarn, and then you just go around, you go on top, and then you just make the knot around this yarn. You see, just like a simple knot like that. You pull, and you pull this, and you will see that when you pull it together, it's connect, and it's so strong. It's not gonna come out. You see? And now you're gonna have to trim this end very, very close to the knot, and it won't come out. I show you. You can cut very close to the knot, and it won't come out. See? It's very secure. And now you're just gonna crochet like usual. But if you feel like, oh no, but I wanted to have the second color in here, not here, so that you just have to make a knot before this coming, you know? You just have to make a knot already 3 maybe before you end of this row, because you will see that you will need a space to go to there. But if you don't mind, the colors will change later on, then you just continue to crochet your project like you would do, and it will eventually change the color, and not gonna even see that look. Yes, come. Okay, it's a little knot here, but it's quite secure. This is the way that I found it's very easy to do, and how to say, it's fun. I like to make the knot. But if you are interested to know in the original way that I learned in the school, just comment down below and I will make a short video to show you with that as well. See, this is a little knot here, but if you don't mind to see this little knot, you can just also take this side of your project to be inside, because from here you can't see a thing. You know, when you make something that is inside and the outside, just take the one that need like so to be the outside of the project. And this is the inside. I hope you like this video tutorial. Let me know in the comment below if you're going to try this technique on your project. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just click that box under this video and click that little bell next to it, so you will receive the notification every time I post a new video. Alright, my beautiful friends, my beautiful family, my beautiful tribe, I hope to see you on my social media. Come to join us on Facebook group. I'll put the link down here for you. There we meet weekly, and we have a live chat over there, answer questions, including business, on how to take your crochet business to the next level. All right, I see you later. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.